let's just say, you know, when a motocross guy is being carried by two people, he's hurt, or at least in hurt at the moment. And obviously, that's Jorge Prado from Majoria. I'm gonna butcher that. I'm sorry. MXGP Race 2, and you can see right there. That's the crash. You can't really see what happens to him, but he is in that crash, and kind of you can't see it because he's in the bottom of it. He did end up posting or having a quote saying, quote, during the second moto, I also had a very good start, but I went wide into the second corner as I got off balance. Then the guy in front of me crashed, and though I tried to avoid him, I crashed as well. From there, it was difficult to say. There were many riders involved. I got a bit hurt, and the bike was damaged. I pulled off after a lap because I felt a little hurt, but everything seems fine. I just need to take it easy for a couple days, and I should be right. Should be okay to fight for the win in Indonesia. Now, obviously, when you crash yourself, obviously it hurts. When you crash and you know, kind of get hit by one bike and then two other people land on you with the bike, because you can see right here he's on the inside, just kind of gets shoved out, squished in. First guy falls, gets hit by that bike, and then one bike on top of him and the other bike sort of on top of that one. So there's a lot of weight on top of it right there, and hopefully he is fine. Hopefully, I like MXGP. I love seeing the tracks from around the world. It's really cool, different considering what we get over here. Everything has its own flavor. I mean, obviously, motocross in America, you have Southwick at the stand, you have, the West and South and East. You do get some difference, but seeing the different countries and everything and how they represent it, it's cool to me. I like it. So hopefully he is fine. Obviously, who knows when and or if he is going to be coming over here for a little bit of a Supercross season, but we'll see about that. Comments below, you guys tell me. Are you watching MXGP? Do you care at all about it? Have you followed it for a while? Whatever it is, comment down below. Or even, who do you think wins the 250s and the 450s over here? But comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.